Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. It's Pete Olson, the Montana Silver Stacker, and I came across a phenomenal article today that I think all of you will find interesting. And the article is by a gentleman by the name of Joseph Young, and the title is the term "Buy Bitcoin" has surpassed "Buy Gold" on search engines by drastic margins. Now, guys, if someone would have said that to me 6 months ago, I would have said, you're off your rocker. You know, that the term "buy Bitcoin" has surpassed "buy gold" on search engines by a ton. So let's take a look at what he's talking about here. "Buy Bitcoin" has surpassed "buy gold" on search engines by drastic margins. Various search engine data providers, including Google Trends, have revealed that the phrase "buy Bitcoin" has surpassed "buy gold" in terms of number of global searches. Not surprising, Bitcoin's everywhere, right? Over the past 2 years, since the beginning of 2016, the demand for Bitcoin as a safe haven asset, a store of value, and ultimately digital gold has increased exponentially, right? It's being treated like a safe haven, guys, just like silver and gold is. The rapid growth rate of Bitcoin has been evident in its price trend. As we saw, guys, Bitcoin the other day hit 7,500. Shown in this infographic below by Bloomberg, the purchase "buy Bitcoin" is overtaken "buy gold" by over 70 points based on a 100-point system. Look at that, guys. Isn't that freaking amazing? And I'm a guy that's in the silver, gold, and Bitcoin business, and I can tell you that Bitcoin is asked for a lot more right now than silver and gold. So this stat makes sense. Analysts have stated that demand for gold as a safe haven asset has declined in general over the past 12 months, with the U.S. stock market recording new highs on almost a weekly basis. So they go on to say, though, that, however, the term "distracted" is not the appropriate description to offer in portraying the migration of investors from the gold market to the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets. Earlier this week, Leo Melamed, chairman of the CM Group, the world's largest options exchange planning to launch a Bitcoin options exchange by the end of 2017, emphasized that it is an understatement to portray Bitcoin as simply a cryptocurrency, right? He said Bitcoin is a new asset class leading a revolutionary movement in the global financial sector. He said his whole life is built around new technology. I never said no to technology. People who say no to technology are soon dead. I'm still that same guy who believes in at least examining change. And that's exactly what Bitcoin represents. The introduction of Bitcoin futures will provide liquidity to a whole new sector of investors. It's interesting, guys, that, I can tell you that, of course, Bitcoin is not mainstream. I mean, I would say, 30 people I talk to, maybe 3 have heard of Bitcoin. But I can tell you that more retailers are adopting it. A few more people around me are asking me about it, being that I'm involved. So every day, more and more people will know about it than they did the day before. Until eventually, guys, Bitcoin is intertwined with everything we do in our daily lives. I mean, my gosh, yesterday I used the BitPay card for the first time, right? Paying for groceries. Phenomenal article, guys, and I'm seeing that more and more every single day. But just think, "buy Bitcoin" has surpassed "buy gold" in regard to the search engine numbers. I mean, that's absolutely hard to imagine. And guys, one of the things that I recommend to you, one of my favorite platforms is BitConnect, and BitConnect is a phenomenal platform to make incredible interest every single day. All you do is lend money to BitConnect, and they pay you a daily interest rate, about an average of about 1.17% a day. I'm averaging right now, guys, just about $500 a day, which is about $15,000 a month without getting out of bed. It's a lending platform. Number 17 cryptocurrency coin in the world on CoinMarketCap.com. They're a behemoth, about $600 million company and growing, and it's just amazing the payments that come in day after day after day. Today so far is already, I'll show you, has already been a a $330 day. You can see I just transferred $330 there from my lending wallet over to my BitConnect wallet. And I get paid all the time on my different loans all the way up to midnight every single day. So already a $330 day. Tomorrow is going to be a phenomenal interest rate. The interest rates vary depending upon the volatility. So if we go here, I will show you it looks like it's a phenomenal day tomorrow. I think it's 1.47%. There it is, 1.47%. Today is 0.84. And then add 0.25 to these numbers because you get a guaranteed 0.25% on top of these numbers for doing a certain quantity of loan, $10,010 and above. So incredible platform. My link will be below. We have an amazing team, Team Montana. And any questions that you have, feel free to get hold of me. And I look forward to having you on the team and you just building an enormous income simply by lending right into BitConnect. And then every day you get the option of either reinvesting the money that comes into you, or you can take it off the table and into your Bitcoin wallet and send it to anywhere you wish. Okay? I hope you enjoyed that fantastic article on the search engine results for Buy Bitcoin. I appreciate it, guys. Please give it a like. Please share with all your social media networks. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on that little bell to get notifications whenever I have a new video that goes out. And feel free to comment below. God bless you guys. Have a great Thursday. Talk to you soon.